Good day, children. In last class, we had learned before exams, we have learned up to the question number 2, exercise 4.2. In that, I taught you how to change one unit to the another unit. Okay, until question number 2, I have explained you. Now today onwards, beta, we are going to do from question number 3 onwards. Write the following in expanded form. You know how to write in the decimal numbers in expanded form. See that means integral part. This before the decimal part is always known as the integral part. Okay, integral part will remain as same, and after decimal first number is always divided by 10. First number always divided by 10. So how you will write? Plus 5 upon 10. Second number is divided by 100 plus 0 upon 100 plus third number after decimal always divided by 1000, 3 upon 1000. If more number will be there, so in this way 10,000, 10, 100,000 and 10,000, the number of zeros under the denominator, it will increase. So in this way we are writing in expanded form. See that same thing is here. How we will do? 6 plus first number divided by 10 plus second number 7 divided by 100. Okay, so see that this one integral part you will write it as 300 plus 0 divided by 10. Whatever number is that, you will write in the same order, plus second 3 divided by 100 plus one more 3 divided by 1000. So in this way you will do the solution. Okay, D and D part I am not doing, and I am leaving these questions for your homework part. Now come to the question number 4. Shamli bought 1 liter or 300 ml of olive oil and 3 liter and 250 ml of coconut oil. Okay, this Shamli bought means two different ladies are there. They are buying. Okay, now Jaya bought 4 liter and 500 ml of olive oil and 750 ml, only 750 ml. Okay, coconut oil. Who bought more and by how much? How we will do? You just see that for Shamli. First of all, we are doing calculation for Shamli. Okay, how much? Which oil she has bought first? See that Shamli bought 1 liter 3 olive oil. First she taken olive oil. Right here olive oil. Okay, olive oil. Here liter or here ml. You have done in earlier classes also how we are adding them. How many? 1 liter and how many ml? 300 ml. Okay, it was, and 3 liter and 250 ml of coconut oil. And which second oil she has bought? Coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil is 3 liter and 250 ml. 3 liter and 250 ml. Now add total how much oil she has purchased. Total oil. Both kind of oil, है ना? Total oil. By whom? Shamli. See that 3 plus 1, 4 liter. Okay, and here add it 0, 5, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, 4 liter and 550 ml. है ना? Under liter are in liter and under ml value will be as ml. Okay, now come to the second, who is Jaya. Jaya bought 4 liter and 500 ml of olive oil. How much olive oil she has purchased? About Jaya, now I am doing olive oil. 4 liter and 500 ml. Again I am writing liter and ml. Okay, 4 liter and 500 ml of olive oil and coconut oil. How much she has purchased? 750 ml. Okay, and coconut oil 0 liter and 750 ml. Okay, now add both of them. 4 0 5. Okay, 0 5 7 7 plus 5 12, carry 1, and 4 plus 1 5. Here it will be 5. Now see that who bought? Shamli bought how much? Total oil 4 liter and 550 ml. Okay, and Jaya bought 5 liter and 250 ml. Okay, so who bought more? Jaya bought more, obviously. Who bought more? Here you will write in your final answer, Jaya bought more. Jaya bought more. So in this way you will do the solution. Okay, now come to the next question. What is that? How much less 28.8 kilometer than 72.6 kilometer? Okay, how much less? 28.8 means how much less 28.8 kilometer than 72.6 kilometer. Okay, see that in this kind of question how we are doing. 72.6 minus 28.8. Okay, now see that simple subtraction is same. Decimal subtraction and addition are same as simple subtraction. Nothing is difficult in these kinds of questions. See that here take carry 16. 16 minus 8 8. Okay, here it will remain 1. Take 1 carry 11. It will become 11 minus 8 3. Okay, put decimal under, exactly add decimal. Here it will become now 6. 6 minus 2 4. Means how much? 28.8 will be 43.8 less than 72.6 kilometer. Okay, it will be your answer. It will be your answer. Okay, now come to the beta question number that is exercise 4.2. Next exercise, and which question is there now? See that question number 1, and in this exercise we have to do simple multiplication by with the help of the decimal. There is no problem in the decimal. Whenever you are performing the decimal multiplication, you just multiply, and from the left side you just count the numbers. After how many digits you have to put the decimal. See that as I am doing 7 7 ja 49. 7 7 ja 49. Okay, our multiplication has completed. Now in this number there is no decimal. In this number decimal is there. After how many digits? If I will count from the unit place, after how many digits I have to put decimal? From here 1 digit. So this will be your answer. Okay, now in this question how I am going to do, just see here. First of all I am performing division 1 to 4.6. Okay, 1 to 4.6 multiplied by 12. Multiplied by 12. You perform division also there, no problem. Okay, you also perform division. Now see that 6 2 ja 12, carry 1. Okay, 6 2 ja 12, carry 1. 2 4 ja 8 or plus 1 9. Just perform first division. 2 2 ja 4 or 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. Now see that 1 6 ja 6. 1 4 ja 4. 1 2 ja 2 and 1 1 ja 1. Okay, now add them as we are doing. Okay, see that 2 9 plus 6 15, carry 1. 4 plus 4 8 or plus 1 9. 2 plus 2 4 and 1. Now see that after how many digit we have to put decimal? Only after 1 digit. So what will be your answer? Here, so 149 1495.2. So you just write the answer here, 1495.2. 2. It will be your answer. Okay, and for this kind of question, see that 3.71 multiplied by 15. See that I am going to do this one also. Here 3.71 multiplied by 50. 3.71 multiplied by 50. See that 0 you can write directly as, there is no need to perform zeros division because finally it will come 0 in unit place. Now see that 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35. Okay, 5 7 ja 35, 3 carry, 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 3 18. After how many digits you have to put decimal? 1 and 2. Count from here, 1 and 2. What will be your answer? 185.50 is equal to 185.50. So there is no difficulty in performing the decimal multiplication also. Here I am doing directly here. I am not doing separately. Just see that everybody knows the table of 8. 8 1 ja 8. Write in unit place. 8 0 0. 8 3 ja 24. Carry 2. 8 1 ja 8. 8 plus 2 10. Okay. Now see that from left hand side, after one digit we will put decimal, so it will be your answer. Okay. Now see that here also 5 5 ja 25. 5 5 ja 25. Okay. Now after how many digit you have to put decimal? 1 or 2, because there is no decimal in this number. So see that 1 or 2. So you can write that 0.25 or 0.25 also if you are writing. There is no problem in that also. Okay. Now see that next question. Now see that next question is that 2001.02 multiplied by 2. Here I am writing it. See that 2001.02 multiplied by 2. Do here. Okay. 2 2 ja 4, 2 0 0, 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 0, 2 0 0, 2 2 ja 4. 1 or 2 places after decimal you just put down here. So what will be your answer? 4002 4002.04 04. So in this way, up to the F part I have done. Rest of the part of this question you will do yourself. Okay. Now come to the question number 2 beta. Okay. G, H, I, J part are your homework part. I am leaving them. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 8.7 centimeter. See that, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 8.7 centimeter and breadth is 4.3 centimeter. You know the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. Perimeter of rectangle is always perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. Now see that beta, 2 out of bracket, how much length you have to given? Length is 8.7 centimeter. Length is 8.7 centimeter. So see that 8.7 plus breadth is 4.3 plus 4.3. Now you add them, is equal to 2 into 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, and 5 plus 8 8 plus 5 13. Okay, after how many places you have to put decimal, because both of them are in addition, so after one place we will put decimal. Okay, so 13 into 2, 26 centimeter will be its perimeter. So simply you can do these kinds of questions. Okay, find the area of a rectangle. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Okay, and area of rectangle is equal to L into B. L means length. Length is how much? 5.7. And breadth is how much? 3 centimeter. Okay, now multiply them. 3 7 ja 21, carry 2, 3 5 ja 15, 15 plus 2 17. Or you know that area, unit of the rectangle area, what it will be? Both the units are given in centimeter, so it will become centimeter square. Centimeter into, because this will be in centimeter, this one will also be in centimeter, so centimeter into centimeter will become centimeter square. Okay, centimeter into centimeter, it will become centimeter square. Now see that, fill in the blanks. Question number 4. Find the, now before that one more question is there. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is 2 centimeter. I am just writing the formula for this and you will complete yourself. Side is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Okay, now perimeter of equilateral triangle. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. Side you have to given 2.7, so you can complete it. Multiply this 2.7 by 3, so whatever answer will come, whatever multiplication will come, that will be your answer. So you will complete this question also. Okay, now come to the fill in the blanks. 22.3 into 100. So whenever you are multiplying any number by 10 or 100, how you will do? You just write the number 223. How many zeros are there in 100? 2 0. Put the 0 here. It will be your multiplication. Now after how many digit you have to put decimal? After one digit from the left side. So you put decimal here. So it will be your answer. Which 2230. Okay. See here again 6.8 means 68. Multiplied by 10. Put 0, 1 0 in front of that. Okay, after how many digits you have to put decimal? One digit from left side, so it will be here, it will come decimal. So what will be your answer? Is equal to 68. Here also you can write that 2230. 2230. Now see that next question, 193.7 multiplied by 1000. How you will do? Write first of number, whatever number is there. Decimal we will deal later on. 1937. What is that? 1937. How many zero will come in front of that? 1, 2, 3. After how many places you have to put decimal? One place from left. So it will be your answer. Okay. 193700. It will be your answer. Now come to the next. See that 18.007 multiplied by 10. So how you will do? 18. No need to write. Many children are writing decimal also. I am just repeating that while you will multiply by 10,100, you will put decimal after your multiplication, or direct multiplication you can do as I am doing. 18,007 or how many 0 in 10? 1 0. So you put 1 0 also here. After how many digits you have to put decimal now? 1, 2, 3 from left. 1, 2, 3. Where it will come? Here it will come. Many children, I am just telling you how they are writing. See that how they are writing, doing mistakes after so many time of repetition. See that 18.007 18.007 multiplied by 10, as I am teaching you. See that 18.007 multiplied by 10. How they can write it? They are writing 18.0070. So it is wrong. Again see that how I am doing. You will not deal decimal at this time. You just deal this as a complete number. 18007. So 18007 multiplied by 10 means after 7 1 0 further will come, because we are, if by 100 we are multiplying, then after 7 2 zeros will come. Okay, now count from the left side. 1 2 3 1 2 3. You will put decimal here. See that now deal it as a complete number. 99911. So it will be 99911. How many 0 will come after that? 1 2 3 1 2 3. Where you have to put decimal? After one digit. So where you will can put it? Here. It will be your answer. Okay. 0.1. 0.1 is not 0.1 at this time. For multiplication we are dealing it as 1. 1 into 100 it is equal to 100. Okay. Now put the decimal after one digit. So what will be your answer? 10 will be your answer. Okay. Same way, see that 2 into 100 200. 2 into 100 200. Okay. After how many digits you have to put decimal? 1 2 3. Count from here. 1 2 3. So what can be your answer? 0.200. Simply. So rest of the part H, I and J we are leaving for your homework. You will do those question yourself. Okay. Now come to the question number next. Come to the question number next. And what is that? See, a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. Okay. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol? Just try to understand. If a vehicle is going, suppose 2 kilometer in 1 liter. Okay. And then if we will fill 4 to 5 liter of petrol in that, then the tank of the vehicle, then how much distance will go by that petrol? Obviously it will go cover more distance. Na? Less petrol, less distance it will cover. More petrol, more distance will it cover. So for more, what we are doing? Multiplication. For more, what we are doing? Multiplication. So see that if in 1 liter, I am writing 1 liter, 1 liter. Okay. How much distance? 1 liter distance cover. Distance covered is equal to how much? 55.3 kilometer. Okay. So in 10 liter, distance cover is equal to 55.3 multiplied by 10. So as earlier just now I was doing multiplication, same way you will do here. Write 553 it is. 553 and then 0. Okay. After how many digits decimal will come here? So how many kilometer it will go? 553 kilometer. It will be your answer. Okay. So maybe if you will see carefully na beta, nothing is difficult in these questions. Okay. Now come to the next question, and in that next question also product or multiplication is there. Product and multiplication is there. I am going to perform those multiplication, and afterwards you will do those kinds of questions. See here now. See that 42.5 multiplied by 0.03. Multiplied now. 3 5 ja 15. Carry 1. Okay. 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7. and 3 4 ja 12. After this 0, if I will multiply, how it will come? 0 1 2 3, 3 digits are there, so 3 times 0 will come. Okay, if I will multiply, no need to do after, means before decimal part. No, if any number is there, then only you can multiply. If 0 is there, no need to multiply by that number. Now just see, add them now. 5 7 2 and 1. After how many digits you have to put decimal? In multiplication we are adding both the numbers digit. See that 1 2 3. You will count for this one also, no? 1 2 3. Count here 1 2 3. What will be your answer? 1.275. So you will write here 1.275. Okay, see again next question. What is that? 0.11 multiplied by 11.1. See here now. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 0 0. Now put here cross, multiply by this one. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 0 0. I am hoping that everybody of you knows the multiplication, and if you don't know that, this is the right time for you to learn that. Again here it will exactly, previously we make cross here, this time we will make cross here. Okay, now again 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1 or 1 0 0. Now write it as 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 1 or 0. Okay, now put the decimal 1 2 3. Count both the numbers 1 2 3, means for both the multiplier, and if by 3 numbers you are multiplying, then count all the numbers, means left part of both the numbers. Okay, 1 2 and 3. Count 1 2 3. Here it will be 1.221. See that now. Right here 1.221. It will be your answer. Okay, now see that next part. Directly I am completing it here only, because it is a single digit multiplication. I can perform it here. See that how I am doing. 8 2 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16, carry 1. 8 2 ja 16 and 1 17, 17, carry 1. Okay, 8 2 ja 16 or 1 17, again carry 1. Okay, 8 2 ja 16 or 1 17. Okay beta, after how many digits you will put decimal? 1 and 2. For both the numbers having decimal now, 1 and 2. So 1 2, it will be your answer. So what can be your answer? 177.76. It will be your answer. It will be your answer. Okay, now see that 7.9 into 9.7. I am performing it here on the right hand side. I have made place for there. Okay, 7.9 into 9.7. Multiply it now. 9 7 ja 63, carry 6. Okay, 7 7 ja 49, 49 plus 6 55. Right here. Okay, now 9 9 ja 81, carry 8. 9 7 ja 63, and 63 plus 8 71. Now put, add them now. 3, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 1 6 and 7. After how many digits? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? 76.63. 76.63 will be your answer. Okay, so in this way beta, so simple it is there. Okay, now come to the next question. See that 2 2 ja, it is simply you can multiply it. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 जा 4, 2 0 0, 2 0 0. Okay, now see that after how many places you have to put decimal now. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 4. Okay, see that 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 means 1 0 is less, so you will put in this way. Understood or not? If we are not having enough numbers, so we can put 0 in that case. Okay, now 441.2 into 400.15. Okay, see that I am solving this question, and after that it will be completed. 400.15, 400.15 multiplied by 441.2 multiplied by 441.2, multiply first by 2, 2 5 ja 10, carry 1, 2 1 ja 2 or 1 3. Okay, 2 0 0, 2 0 0 or 2 4 ja 8. Now by 1, 1 5 ja make cross here, 1 5 ja 5, 1 1 ja 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 4 ja 4. Okay, now this by 4 make cross here, 4 5 ja 20, 2 carry 4 1 ja 4 plus 2 6, 4 0 0, 4 0 0, 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16. Now if you will multiply by same 4, again same multiplication will come, so you can write in this way. Here 0 will come, then here 6, then 0, then another 0, then 6 and then 1. Okay, now add all of them. 0, 5 plus 3 8, 1 6, 8 plus 6 14, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, then 6, then 6 plus 1 7 and then 1. Okay, now count the numbers after how many digits you have to put decimal. See that 1 2 3, 1 2 3, put here 1 2 3, it will be your answer. 1765, I am writing here now 176546.18, it will be your answer. So same part of this question now I am leaving for your homework, that is G, H, I and J part. Okay, just enough for today beta. Thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.